Assume that I have 100 rupees note is there, sir. Dosto. This 100 rupees note I want to save. If you save this 100 rupees note, okay, today it is not my man. I'm saving this for my future purpose. I'm saving. If I invested whatever the money you separated to save, you are saving this money. Now, can you please observe that this money, this 100 rupees, lifetime, it is going to work for you. Lifetime, without sleeping, this one is going to work for you. Okay, assume that. A simple example with the minimum amount only. I deposited in the bank. So just 1% returns. 1% means 12%, 1 rupee interest. Assume that. Easy understanding, right? So per month, this 100 rupees is going to generate 1 rupee for you or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, this thing is going to be happen one time or lifetime?
Lifetime.
Lifetime. Next, moreover, every month, this is going to generate 1 rupee, right? Every month, this one is going to generate 1 rupee, right? That 1 rupee also is going to generate money for lifetime or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not only just don't see this 100. Every month or every year, it is going to generate children. That children also is going to work for you. Now, you can create an army of golden slaves. Okay? Then automatically, if you continue in this process for 20 years, 30 years, then automatically your army will become crores. Not money. Crores of pipelines are going to work to generate money for you people. Remember that. So, whatever money you are saving is you are creating a slave to work for you for your lifetime. I hope it is clear for you people. Everyone in the position to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just the only thing you require to do is this 100 is not mine today. Just I pay myself, just I'm keeping separately, just I'm investing. This 100 rupees every month is going to generate 1 rupee. That 1 rupee is going to generate some amount. Okay, so this one is going to generate multiple kids. The kids are going to generate next level kids. An army, yes, sir, army of generations are going to work for me to generate money. So whenever you are separating 100 rupees or whenever you are separating your 10%, you are creating one slave to work for you for your lifetime. Remember that. Even you are sleeping also, this person never going to sleep. This person is always going to work 24 hours per day. Okay, you can work 8 to 10 hours only. After 8 to 10 hours, you are getting tired, you are not in a position to work. But this person never going to get tired. 24/7, keep on going to work for you. Okay, even you are sleeping also. This person won't require any food. This person not having any sentiments. This person won't require any rest. It won't sleep. It's always going to work for you. Create such a type of slaves for you to generate money. I hope it is clear for you people. So don't feel that I'm separating money. I'm separating money means, I'm saving. From my pocket, I'm separating money means. Don't feel like that. You are creating one slave to work for you until your lifetime. So feel like that. How many slaves you are going to create, then your life will become that much freedom you are going to get, man. That's why at least a 10% better to save. And better to invest properly.